Students, let us understand a very important sum based on area of circle and an equilateral triangle. Here is the question which says, in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeters, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Find the area of the design, that is the shaded region. Now students, let us understand the question. It says the table cover is circular in shape. Okay. Now the radius is 32 centimeters and the design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle, as we can see in the figure. Now let us list down what all things are given to us. For that, let I be the center of the circle. As the radius is given to be 32 centimeters, we can say radius IA or AI is equal to 32 centimeters. Students, we are supposed to calculate the area of the design. So we can say the area of this design will be equal to area of the entire circle, and from this area of entire circle we are going to remove the area of this equilateral triangle. So we have to subtract the area of triangle ABC. Let us focus on finding the area of the circle, and the formula is pi r square. So let us calculate the area of the circle, which is equal to pi r square. On substituting, we have 22 upon 7 into r square, which is 32 into 32. The product of three terms in the numerator gives the value as 22,528 upon 7 centimeter square. Students, we have calculated the first part of the sum. Now let us think about finding the area of triangle ABC. As it is given, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle? Yes, it is root 3 upon 4 into side square. But students, we don't have the value of the side. So let us focus on finding the value of the side of this equilateral triangle. For that, let us have some construction. So we are going to draw an altitude AD. AD perpendicular to BC. Now students, let us observe in an equilateral triangle, the centroid lies on the altitude. That means the points A, I, D are collinear. And we know that the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where I is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Now students, remember that the centroid divides the altitude in the ratio 2:1. So we can say AI will be equal to 2/3 of, that is 2 upon 3 times of the altitude, that is AD. Let us substitute the values, and the reason we are going to write is I divides AD in the ratio 2:1. That is the centroid divides the altitude in the ratio 2:1. Now, the value of AI is 32, which is nothing but the radius, is equal to 2 upon 3 into AD. Shifting the terms on the other side, we have 32 into 3 upon 2 is equal to AD. On further simplification, we get the value of AD is equal to 48 centimeters. Now students, we have found the altitude of this triangle ABC. Now we know that in an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. So students, we can focus on the angle B. So we have angle B is equal to 60 degrees as mentioned in the figure. Now students, let's consider the right angle triangle, that is triangle ABD. Now in this triangle, we are going to consider or observe the angle ABD, that is angle B. Tell me, for angle ABD, what is the opposite side? Yes, it is AD. And tell me, what is the hypotenuse of this triangle? Yes, it is the side AB. Now students, tell me, the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse reminds us of, yes, it is sine. So we can say sine 60 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is AD upon AB. The value of sine 60 root 3 upon 2 is equal to the value of AD that we just found to be 48 upon AB. On further simplifications, we can say AB into root 3 is equal to 48 into 2, and further simplification gives the value of AB is equal to 48 into 2 upon root 3. Let us simplify this further. We have AB is equal to 48 into 2 is 96, and let us rationalize the denominator. So we have 96 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Further, AB is equal to 96 root 3 upon 3. Therefore, we have AB is equal to 32 root 3 centimeters. Students, we have calculated the side of the triangle ABC. Now let us find the area of an equilateral triangle ABC, which is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square, which is root 3 upon 4 into the value of side that we just found to be 32 root 3 square. Further, we have root 3 upon 4 into 32 into 32 into root 3 square is 3. So we have 4 into 1 times is 4 and 4 into 8 times is 32. So the area of triangle ABC is equal to 768 root 3 centimeters square. As we have found both the terms, we can now calculate the area of the shaded region, which is equal to area of the circle minus area of the equilateral triangle ABC. On further substituting the values, we have the area of the design is equal to area of the circle that we found to be 22,528 upon 7 minus area of the triangle, which is 768 root 3. So we have area of the design is 22,528 upon 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square. Thank you.